Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm super excited to be coming back with my first video for 2019 on this channel and starting it up again. So today I am going to be showing you guys my grocery haul that I just went grocery shopping for today, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a speed clean with me for my fridge, just the refrigerator part, just because I didn't get enough time to do the freezer. So I don't know, maybe we'll do that in like a separate video. Don't mind the mess behind me because this will be clean, and I will also be having a cleaning video, something soothing and relaxing for you guys. So a clean with me for the kitchen, because right now it is a hot mess, but this is real life. I didn't want to clean it up so you guys can see that it's really like this. So when I show you guys the clean with me video, then you'll be like, oh, okay, it was dirty, now it's clean. But yeah guys, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this clean with me video and my grocery haul. I will be doing a lot of clean with me videos, a lot of sit down videos on this channel. I'm super excited, so pumped, and so motivated. Also kind of, I guess, like a shameless promo plug, whatever, I don't know what it's called. I do have a vlog channel which is called Coffee in the Morning Vlogs. I will leave the link down below, so if you guys want to check that out, then go ahead and follow me over there, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys. So for the grocery haul, this is only a bit of it. We got some lemon juice, some vegan chive and garlic. I've never tried this before, but I hope it tastes good. We got some Bolthouse Farms salsa verde, some avocado ranch dressing, or yogurt dressing, 2 things of strawberries, and underneath this we have some organic spinach. This says it's the Powerhouse, which apparently is different than another spinach. We got some apples, this little one right here. Hey mama. We got some avocados. I'm missing an avocado because I got 3. Oh boy. Huh. I was supposed to have 3. Green beans, some grapes. We got some lemons because I am going to do, when I'm tired of water, lemon water. Some mandarin oranges and some bananas. Okay, so I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to get what's in these bags over here. Oh, and we also have some bagels that was already out. Okay, so in this first bag we have meats. We got some pork chops with the bone in, some pre-seasoned lemon pepper chicken breast, and some barbecue styled pre-seasoned boneless chicken breast as well. The boneless or the pre-seasoned just helps me out so much because sometimes I just need dinner to be just that much more quicker when it just comes to having 3 kids, and one of those kids being under 2. And then 2 things of ground beef. I also got some waffles, and this box is just horrible. Eggos, these are Maya's, and these are the kids and CJ. I got some vegan chicken nuggets. I wanted to try these. I also wanted to try these for Maya and see if she likes them. I got regular chicken nuggets just in case. Vegan cheese. Cheddar and mozzarella, I believe is this. Yeah. I also got the strips. This is pepper jack. Ooh. Peanut butter, Prego, the chunky kind, jelly, turmeric because I want to do a mask. I couldn't find like orange pill or whatever, so I have to figure that out. Sloppy Joe mix for the kids, quick and easy. And I got this Health Aid kombucha. This is the pomegranate one. I've never had this brand before. And I got another one in the pink lady apple. And then also for the first time trying, I got the Rebel maca cold brew. This is vanilla and maca. Am I saying that right? Hopefully. And then that says that it says righteous plant alchemy, soulfully crafted. So going to see how this tastes, and hopefully it tastes good.